Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and organize a content calendar inside Notion using a free template. If you've ever struggled with keeping your social media posts organized, planning content consistently, or managing multiple platforms at once, this tutorial is going to make your workflow much easier. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully organized content calendar inside Notion that helps you stay on schedule and plan your posts more efficiently. The best part is that we'll be using a free template that already comes with a clean and professional design, so you won't have to build everything from scratch. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open Notion on your computer. Once you're inside your workspace, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small drop-down arrow that gives you access to additional workspace options. Click on that drop-down menu and select the Browse Templates option. If you've never used Notion templates before, they're basically pre-designed layouts that help you set up projects much faster. Instead of spending time creating databases and structures manually, you can simply customize a ready-made setup. After opening the template gallery, head over to the search bar and type in Content Calendar. You'll see several different templates appear on your screen. Each one is designed slightly differently, so take a moment to browse through the options and choose the one that best matches your style and workflow. One of the biggest advantages of using a template is that it instantly gives your workspace a polished and professional appearance. Everything is already organized in a clean format, which makes planning content much more manageable. Once you've found a template you like, click on it and press the Add button. Notion will then copy the template directly into your workspace. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment, so just give it a second to fully load. Now it's time to customize your calendar. Think of the template as the foundation that you can personalize however you want. You can start by adding important details such as campaign names, posting platforms, deadlines, or content categories. The more information you include from the beginning, the easier it becomes to stay organized later on. Start adding your content directly into the calendar. This can include social media posts, videos, blog articles, tutorials, or promotional campaigns. You can also attach thumbnails, links, captions, and notes to keep everything organized in one place. If you post tutorials every Wednesday or Reels on weekends, you can schedule them ahead of time and easily move them around if plans change. Notion also lets you customize the layout with tags, colors, filters, and different views like calendar view, board view, or timeline view, helping you create a workflow that fits your brand or team perfectly. And that's it. You now have a streamlined and organized content calendar inside Notion that helps turn scattered ideas into a clear posting strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.